Mila's English class presents English for Beginners. Lesson 1. The alphabet.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Long and short vowel words. 2 words to practice the alphabet. A. Ant. Acorn. B. Bat. Bike. C. Cat. Cake. D. Doll. Dice. E. Egg. Egypt. F. Fish. Fire. G. Gold. Game. H. Hat. Hole. I. Igloo. Ice. J. Jar. June. K. Kit. Kite. L. Log. Life. M. Mom. Male. N. Nut. Name. O. October. Opened. P. Pin. Pine. Q. Quack. Queen. R. Rug. Rake. S. Sun. Snake. T. Tap. Table. U. Umbrella. Uniform. V. Van. Vine. W. Web. Wine. X. X-ray. Xylophone. Y. Yarn. Yoga. Z. Zebra. Zoo. Please like, comment and subscribe for the next English lesson.